What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're just got a load of logs in today. I've already started on it, but forgot to make the intro. So we've got a free load of poplar logs. All of them are about 22 to 25 foot long. It's a tree service job. A customer of mine at work had brought his truck in for us to work on. We got the truck done, and the operator said, hey, he's like, you guys want those? He said, we're just gonna haul them to the landfill, scrap them, because the chip market ain't nothing anymore. So I said, well, heck yeah. So he unloaded them, and I picked them up today when I was at work. Took one of my other customers' new knuckle booms that they're getting and loaded it up this morning. So anyways, we're going to I'm going to put you on point of view style and let you guys watch as we unload these. Yard's a little bit tight right now. I'm having to knock around the place every day. Real tight. Real tight. Got some 25 foot wood with a 25 foot opening. I'll be done. Well, that's it. They're all unloaded. We've got a little bit of a pile there that I've got to get through. There's some hickory and some oak and some what is it? Maple. And then over in this other pile I've got some more chestnut oak. Obviously that poplar I just put in there, some sycamore and some maple. So we've got a pretty good stash of logs that we've got to get going through, and it's just taking time. We've got the splitter kind of set up over here. Had got cleaned up the other day. Got some nasty elm right there to split. It's pretty bad shape. But we got a pile that I need to start getting into totes, and that way my all that stuff can be stored away and drying instead of it just laying out here getting wet. But so far my dock system's working without an elevator, and just gonna keep plugging along at it. I've got pallets underneath all that wood down there too. Not that it's gonna help airflow being in a stinking pit like that, but at least it keeps it up off the ground, even though I've got asphalt grindings underneath of it. So that is a wrap for the day, and I believe I'm gonna go take the wife out to dinner. The kids are with my parents, so we're going to spend some time together. So till next time, guys, stay tuned, like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.